name is Dr. Comfort Mado-Alabi. Today we are talking about understanding patterns. We are going to talk about pattern envelopes, symbols on the patterns, and selection of sizes. Here I have 3 different pattern envelopes. I have the first one is a baby romper pattern. The next one is a pattern for making bags, and the third one is carrying patterns for jackets. For this purpose, we are going to talk about the different parts of the pattern envelope. We have the front pattern envelope, where you have the designer's name. The designer's name in this case is Simplicity, and you have the design numbers for each of the pattern. It has pattern envelope, it carries a pattern number. And the next thing we have is the illustrations of the variety of garments you are to produce. It also shows you the idea of fabric suitable for these designs. Then you have the model wearing the bag, showing you how the bag is being worn. In the case of a garment, the model will show you how the garment is being worn. Like in this case, this is a pattern envelope or for jacket. It's showing you right from the front of the envelope that this is a unisex jacket. A male and a female can wear it. Here you have baby rompers, variety of the designs. You can see they vary. That's number 1. You have it. You have the other design, other variation. You have the next one and another one, all inside. Then finally you have the price barcode that as you pay for it, it gives the price. That's the front envelope. Then in the front envelope, the sizes of the garments, possible sizes you can produce, are also written there. Some envelopes will carry the prices of the envelope itself. This particular Simplicity envelope does not carry that. The next part of the envelope is the envelope tag. The envelope tag also carries information. For this particular Simplicity, it carries the design tag, it carries the barcode, and also the addresses of the publishers and the producers. In this other particular one, McCall's envelope, it carries the price of the envelope, and then it carries a size chart. So we'll use this size chart when we are selecting the patterns for a particular design we desire. Next is the back of the envelope. The back of the envelope carries variety of information. In some envelope, it will carry the description of the product. This one does not carry the description, but it carries the fabric type required for the part for making the bag. You can also have the size chart again there. This does not carry it, but it also gives you the fabric length required for each view of the product. Even if it's a garment, it carries the variety of the fabric lengths required. Also according to the sizes. The larger the size, the longer the length of fabric you require. The next thing you can find on the back of the envelope is the finished product measurement. The finished product measurement differs from the natural measurement you have taken. So it's depending on the ease of the allowance that is added, or according to the design. So the finished garment will be there. Next we have if you need a contrast fabric, it will mention it, and even the length, the notions you require, the zips, the ribbons, buttons are also listed on the back of the envelope. Finally, we have the back view of the product. You can see this is the back view of the various designs of the bag shown on the front page. It shows you the line drawing to give you an idea of what the back view of the bag is, or the garment. That of the jacket shows you the back view. You can see that here the measurement chart is shown here. Sometimes it's also divided into two. You have two different languages. Most of the time you have French and English. Next we have the inside of the bag. Inside of the bag carries two different things. We have the instructional sheet, and then we have the patterns to be used for cutting. On the instructional sheet, we have the line drawing of the product. Next, we have the cutting layout. We have the miniature sizes or scaled down patterns of all the pattern pieces inside the envelope. In the layout, you will select from these pattern pieces to sew the particular view you need to sew. Next, on the instruction sheet, it shows the sewing direction, the steps you require to produce the sewing. You can see it's divided into stages and shows you step 1 till the product is produced.